Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are gonna continue with the Legal Studies Class 11 series. You can see the previous videos that are uploaded on my channel, and if you like the content, then you please subscribe to my channel as well, and like the video, share it with your friends or with your family member, whoever needs these lectures. And this video is gonna be very short because there is nothing as such in this chapter, and this chapter is not so big. It just gives out the major works of jurists, as the title of the chapter itself suggests, and this is only a single page chapter, as you see. So there is nothing much to explain. I am just beginning over it now. We saw different schools of law in the first chapter of this unit only. So natural law school is the first one, in which we are going to see the names of a few jurists and the works that they gave to the society. St. Thomas Aquinas, Commentary on Sentences on Being and Assents Against Those Who Assail the Worship of God and Religion. Now you see, these are the works or the books or the articles that they wrote. So these are just the names of those books or works. So there is nothing as such to explain in it. I will just read it out, and then the video will end. Longfellow, Law in Quest of Itself. Quest means thirst. Basic Contract Law, Problems of Jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is a branch of law that deals with or that tells you the philosophy of law, that how the law is framed or what is law. That is jurisprudence. Morality of law, Legal Fictions, Anatomy of Law. Rudolf Stammler, The Theory of Justice. John Rawls, A Theory of Justice, Political Liberalism, Law of Peoples, Justice as Fairness. Means justice should be done as a sort of to give everybody a free and fair treatment. Then we come on to the Analytical School of Law. Jeremy Bentham, Fragment on Government. An Introduction to Principles of Morals and Legislation. Limits of Jurisprudence. John Austin, he is very popular. Province of Jurisprudence Determined. Lectures on Jurisprudence. H.L.A. Hart, The Concept of Law, Liberty and Morality. Morality of Criminal Law. Punishment and Responsibility. Essays in Jurisprudence and Philosophy. Matthew H. Kramer, Defense of Legal Positivism, Law Without Time Trimmings. Then Historical School of Law, Savigny, Law of Possession, On the Vocation of Our Ages for Legislation and Jurisprudence. Henry Maine, Ancient Law, Village Communities, Early History of Institutions, Popular. Then Sociological School of Law Major Jurist The, Roscoe Pound, Outlines of Lectures on Jurisprudence, The Spirit of Common Law, Law and Morals, Criminal Justice in America. Duguid, Treatise on Constitutional Law. Eugene Ehrlich, Fundamental Principles of Sociology of Law. Rudolf von Herring, Law as a Means to an End, The Struggle for Law. Then the last is Realistic School of Law. Jerome Frank, Law and the Modern World, Courts on Trial. Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes, The Common Law. So this is all. Thank you.